Welcome back to the Disney vlog! Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Emma. If you're new, if you're not new, welcome back. This is the first vlog of the Disney series 2024. I'm so excited! We are going to Epcot today and we got in last night, me and Bella. Hannah got here this morning, so we're like regrouping and then we're gonna head out. But super exciting. We got Guardians boarding group 30 and then I'm getting my annual pass, like officially. It's Flower and Garden Festival, so also gonna eat a lot of good food, drink a lot of good drinks, and we'll see where the day takes us. I hope you enjoyed this vlog and let's get into it.
Hey! Hi vlog!
Hi vlog!
Whoa! Hi vlog, I miss you. Oh, how I miss you, vlog.
Rawr! Hi.
I think so.
Besties are back together! We made it! So excited! I got my annual pass. I had to prove that my parents did get it for me. Well, they didn't get it for me, but they, like, you know, I've Venmo'd them. Had to prove they were DVC, which was so fun. Other than that, we're in Epcot, bitches. Best park after Hollywood Studios.
So true.
What's your ranking?
So, it's definitely Hollywood Studios #1.
Well, yeah.
Then Epcot, then DAC, then Magic Kingdom. I'm a Magic Kingdom hater, I'm so sorry.
Really?
Well, you know what? You work there and then come back to me.
Okay, fair. Our first bathroom run of the trip.
Yay!
I love it.
Me and Emma with the elephant bladders.
How are we feeling? I'm so excited.
Fun fact, Epcot stands for experimental. Okay, I'm gonna restart and you're gonna cut. Okay. Fun fact, Epcot stands for Experimental Prototype Community of Tomorrow. Woo! As I get older, this park becomes like more
and more
up the
fun.
ranks.
Yeah, literally.
Like I honestly feel like I was the most excited to come here.
Yes! We're starting off strong. We got our new Wemos. Hannah got us Miss Piggy
And Miss Judy Hobbs.
and Judy Hobbs. Alina has her Pooh new Wemo.
Pooh Bear.
And Hannah has her Marie new Wemo. Oh, look at the flowers. You're my flower. Oh, mwah. Mwah. It does smell like Disney water. I want this one in my
I don't have blood in my body, I just have bromine.
What? Let's get into it. I love that. Perfect. Going on Figment. Wish me luck. Let's get this over with.
I called back row.
I also called back row.
Okay.
Please attend to this matter immediately.
I don't like that secret smile you have on.
You'll see how the 5 human senses can help capture your imagination.
Oh, can I go too?
Absolutely not.
They just brought out a cart of Uncrustables, and if they're free, I'm gonna lose my mind. No way. They're free!
Mom's gonna really eat it all.
This is so good.
Oh, it's me.
It's partially frozen still. So good.
You ready? Oh,
Boy. Hannah's audition to be a puppeteer.
You should do Merry Menagerie.
And why?
You know we're gonna have words.
Hannah, how are we feeling?
We're feeling good.
Feeling good. Feeling warm.
Feeling warm?
Well, it's hot out. Me and the world. It's me against the world, guys.
The lagoon.
Literally.
That's actually what it's called.
Merry Christmas.
Just don't play what's happening in the background.
Is this the year we get tiaras? Be honest.
We just have to look at them, I feel, just for like old time's sake.
That one's pretty.
Ooh, a wand.
I like that one. I also like that one. And I like that one. And actually, I really just like, I really like all of them. It's time for a Mickey pretzel and a funnel cake. This is the best part of the American Pavilion. Oh my god. I'm so happy right now.
Getting wasted on coffee.
Getting wasted on Mickey pretzels.
We have so many ducks. I love ducks. I'm looking at all Disney ducks.
Donald Duck. Now it's time for Tokyo Sunset! I'm so ready. Hi, can I get a Tokyo Sunset?
Feels really nice. Right? Turn off the lights. We're gonna lose our minds tonight. What's the dealio? I'm just a serious.
Absolutely smash that.
Absolutely smashed the challenge.
We're going to the Jimahan store. My favorite store to go in. They have the green tea Kit Kats in here, and those are my favorite Kit Kats to have. Fun fact, you can also get them at World Market, but it's more fun in Japan.
Everything's coming up raw. They are very pretty.
Yummy, yummy. See you on the dinner plate. Guys, it looks like it's gonna rain.
Yeah, it looks dark.
Looking ominous. Oh no, they have the steam bun.
Yeah.
Guys, look! It's vegan! The bao bun! Let's go.
Really? So you're really the only one.
The land I call my home. Did you know that's actually the Genovian national anthem? But I always think it's the Canadian national
Wait, are
anthem.
you serious?
I'm for real.
I thought you were actually singing it in
Genovia. No, Hannah. Genovia.
And I call my
How is it?
That's good. They made this for me specifically.
Really? Okay, we're on our way to Soarin. It's kind of clearing up now, but I think they said it's gonna be like on and off through the day, or the rest of the day or whatever. But we headed to Soarin. It just changed back to Soarin over the world. I still somehow have never done the Soarin over California. I'm never here when it's Soarin over California. What are you gonna do? But I love Soarin over the world. Look how pretty this is. Have you practiced
What am I practicing?
your Soarin speech?
I forgot. Wait, I'm not gonna
Uh-oh.
do it. I haven't been practicing because I forgot.
I think you can do it.
This is where
Maybe because you're not practicing.
maybe, yeah, for a really long time.
I'm going to Creations. Emma, don't buy anything challenge. Oh, it's cold in here. Look at these orange bird ears. How cute are these? What do you think about the orange bird?
I'm indifferent.
I get it.
He's like cute, but not like a fave.
Yeah. Oh,
Look at him, he peeks out.
that's so cute.
Is that not literally
oh my
so
God.
cute?
I literally love it. Bye, Club Cool. I don't know where there was. I thought that was cool. It's not. Not to like do anything, but it's actually not that crowded in here right now. Pretty impressive since it's literally raining out. We're soaring, flying. There's not a star in heaven that we can't reach. And if we're trying. Are you so ready?
I feel so perceived. Got the cameras. I don't do interviews. I do. Hi, my name is Isabel. This is my wired 20 questions. Soon you will be airborne. Did I do it? Yeah. Did I actually? It's chilly here.
Oh, the feet.
That is crazy.
On the second best ride in Epcot.
Sorry.
Test track. What are we thinking for our car, Alina? I think we should make it the biggest car
I think we should.
you've ever seen.
So should we try to make it like the ugliest car, or should we make it like the most like if we're ready to win car? You know what I mean?
We should pull out a surprise and win.
Okay.
I think.
Okay, let's do that then. Let's actually
let's try.
But then we'll make it look really ugly.
And then we'll make
so it's deceiving.
Exactly.
No one will see it coming.
I kind of want popcorn for some reason.
No, me too. Every time
I keep smelling it.
I want
I
it.
feel like they do that on purpose.
Vlog, do you think that me and Emma should buy sweatshirts because we're cold? Or do you think we should suffer?
Vote down
Clap
below.
if you think we should suffer.
Nothing gets me more hyped than Test Track and also Guardians.
We're gonna test the track.
We really are. Vote down below how long you think it's gonna take for me to lose my voice. I've been doing pretty good.
Also, who do you think will win the great car race of 2024?
Yes.
Me and Emma or Bella and Hannah?
Boo.
No. Putting in the work. We're gonna destroy them. Yeah! We're winners. We won.
We're on our way.
No conga. Guys, no conga.
I haven't gotten conga. I love September. Even though I've gotten that like all the...
I've gotten all 6 songs.
What did we get last time? One Way or Another?
Yeah, that was a good one.
That was a good one. I like that. I love Everybody Wants to Rule the World. That's the best one I've ever had. So I'm kind of hoping for that. Guys, we got One Way or Another. So good. Every time I hear that song, I think of One Direction though.
Me when I didn't get September.
No better ride.
Oh yeah, that's the best one. Well, maybe besides Todd.
Well, yeah, but honestly, I don't know.
What about Dinosaur?
Be for real.
Dinosaur or Guardians? Leave it in the comments.
Guardians. But I love Dinosaur though.
Dinosaur.
You're so wrong.
Well,
we are heading to, wait, where are we going?
Day like
We're going to
Three Caballeros.
Three caballeros, three caballeros, they say we are birds of a feather. And then we're going to Frozen, and then we're going to Nemo, and we are getting, I'm getting the strawberry shortcake that's here, and then you're getting
The meatball.
the meatball. Yay! Tequila shots to end the night?
Oh.
No, but maybe. That's me. I'll be dead before I get married. We've hit the best part of the night where nobody's in the park. Because it rained all day and people are sad and tired. We have our own boat.
Our own boat, guys. We're spotted as loud as we want. The three caballeros, they say we are birds of a feather.
Okay guys, that is the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, subscribe. Watch all the Disney series videos. I'll link the playlist in one of these corners. And I will see you next week for our Animal Kingdom vlog. I hope you have a fab day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!